let's solve this question. If f of x is equal to maximum of the two functions, that is fx square or 3x plus 8 for all real values of x, then what is the minimum value of this function? So let's just solve this question by plotting the graph of these two functions. First of all, let's just find the intersection of these two functions, that is 5x square when equal to 3x plus 8. So it becomes a quadratic equation for which I'll get two solutions, which means this 3x plus 8 is a straight line, so it will be intersecting this 5x square, that is upward opening parabola at 2 points. This line will be intersecting this parabola in 2 points. So this is 5x square minus 3x minus 8 is equal to 0. 5 into 8 is 40. So the factorization of this equation is 5 into x minus, this is minus 48 minus 8 plus 5, right? This is 40. So it becomes 8 by 5 and x plus 5 by 5 is equal to 0. So from here I get x as 8 by 5, that is 1.6, and x is equal to minus 1. So I get two values of x, 1.6 or minus 1. So the graph of 5x square will be a parabola that is opening upwards. So and 3x plus 8 would be a increasing slope line with a wide set of 8. So we can say this line would be this line, and this parabola, this is 5x square, so it will pass through origin or this point, and at this point it will overtake this line. So it is given that for all real values of x, fx, my function fx is maximum of two functions, maximum of these two functions. So from infinity to this point, this is intersecting point x equal to minus 1, and this is second intersecting point, that is 8 upon 5. So from minus infinity to this point, this 5x square is maximum. Then from minus 1 to 8 by 5, this part of graph is maximum, and from 8 by 5 onwards, or x equal to 1.6 onwards, this part of graph is maximum. So the graph of my function fx would be this parabola, then a straight line, and then this parabola. So I need to find the minimum value of this function. So the minimum value, this function goes from minus infinity, this function, the value of this function which is on y-axis would be plus infinity till this point. It will be the minimum point of my function, which exists at x equal to minus 1. So what is the minimum value of x? Minimum value of function fx will be at x equal to minus 1. So at x equal to minus 1, f of minus 1 would be equal to, I can put this x equal to 1 in any of these functions because this is the intersection point. So 5x square, and putting this value minus 1, it becomes 5 into 1, that is 5. Similarly, I can place this minus 1 in 3x plus 8 also. Putting x equal to minus 1, it becomes 5. So correct answer to this question is option D.